How deep is that right there? Fuck it. Oh. Ah. Interesting. Okay. Let's see if we can do this, baby. Where's the fucking turn? Oh, there it is. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Almost didn't make that son of a birch. Where the hell are we now? Alright, looks like we ran into two more local Maui crew members here that have watched that video movie before. I don't know the guy's name, but maybe in the comment below if you watch this or you watch this, you leave your name and your bike style down in the comment. Oh yeah. Nice. Oh, oh. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's no doubt. No doubt about that. It's a wet one. Who's on it? Who's going first? I want to film somebody while I go behind you. Fuck it. Oh. Ah. Oh fuck. Oh shit. I hope Athena didn't. Oh shit, dude. No. No. Fuck. I think she just fucking hydro-locked. Fuck. Fuck. She's toast. She just got moto tripping. Ah, crikey, motherfucker. She's hydro-locked. Fuck.